Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to deploy a website. I'll show you this website which I made for my business. So let's get started. After do this, we have to create a folder. You can put any name as you wish. In this folder, you have to put index.html, this file. Okay. Now you have to log in, and you have to click add new project, then import an existing project. You can see a new interface. Now we have to click try Netlify drop. In this section you can drag and drop, or you can just upload. I will just upload. I put this file folder in this desktop. I upload this. After a few seconds you will see another interface. Now our website is ready for deploy. Now you have to click quick setup, then you have to put any name for your link like XYZ learning. After this you have to click update project name. This will be our project name. Then you have to click finish it later. Now you can see our website is deployed. You can see production published. Now we can direct go to our website through this link. Our website is deployed now. We can access from any other browser like Firefox, Chrome, everywhere. Our website is now published. You have to copy this link, then you can put anywhere. Thank you. Subscribe for more.